Good morning. First project is about to start. We are gonna replace our puzzle doors for regular 2 open and close doors that we can lock from the inside and the outside as well.
We lock our home with a, what do you call those things?
Puzzle.
Padlock?
It's a puzzle.
No, a padlock. That's what we lock our home.
Now he just did the measurements of the current door we have, and he's gonna go ahead and draw the way that we're supposed to cut it. Really excited. I can't wait till I see that, because it's gonna make our life a little bit more comfortable and get us going on the many projects we have for the inside and the outside as well. Now Ray is sanding it so it can kind of land perfectly together, and so far it's looking pretty good. Not hard to do?
It's a little creativity. These are the little hinges we got. We're gonna put 3 on each side of the door, just in case the boy decides to hang from them. They're strong enough. To make it a perfect fit, Ray is putting them together so then we can place them here and do proper sanding so we don't have any gaps. That's what we are doing next. Now Ray is measuring from the inside. We have to trim it a little bit more so we can put the roof looking thin over and then the lag on it, but so far it's looking pretty nice. And remember, always measure twice, cut once. Good. Put this back in the middle so I can just place it. So all these are aligned correctly. If not, it's gonna like screw up and not touch where it's supposed to.
I'm actually editing a video that we are planning on posting sometime later on today. So I've been trying to get small clips of this very small project that Ray is taking care of. And the boys are just here, hand it to him. So if he needs any tool, they can go ahead and...
Or
sangria, pass it on to him. But yeah, it's coming amazing. I think you are a very professional carpenter, honey.
Hey.
Hey. And while he keeps going with the adjustments, I'm gonna go ahead and go back there again and continue editing the video. Perfect, right? Huh? No, yeah? Perfect. On what side are we gonna put the little looking thingy? Our project is almost done. Tomorrow I'm going to stain and clear coat it. It's gonna come out beautiful. Ah!
Stick them up. Bam, bam, bam.
Wow, look at the sun. We always catch like the most epic sunsets here. Good job, Captain. Babe, how do you call that we're putting there? Huh? Well, it's something for you to be able to see
I think it's called
outside from the inside. Because we're fancy like that. Kiddos. What are your kiddos up to?
watching YouTube.
So you have to put that in your mouth again. You watching YouTube? What are you watching on YouTube? You, what are you watching?
A lot of stuff.
You?
Almost the food almost done.
It's almost done. Get tired? What are you up to?
Making a video for my channel.
Video for your channel? Huh? What game are you playing?
Fortnite. It's trending.
How many people left?
There is 4 people left. I'm gonna try to go for the win.
No way.
Hopefully.
Okay, I'll leave you alone. Since it was nighttime, I couldn't show you, but this is what he installed. Now from the inside, we can literally see everything that is happening outside, which we love it. We also installed these doors to the rain, so now I kind of don't really want to open and close properly. But yeah, we got these two. We got a little solid with rainwater, and I still haven't been able to stain them because of all the rain as well. Hopefully later on, since it's gonna start raining, and we could get to that, as we have to leave again to Merrill. But they did awesome, and he also gonna put weather strips. We're gonna go out and get them later. Since it didn't stop raining and we needed to take off for work again, the part of us staining and doing the clear coat, it will be next time when we come back. So there will be a small part 2 of this video, but I thought on sharing at least the first part, and that way we won't make such a long video for it. So see you guys next time.